Not long ago, the U.S. Federal Reserve made headlines when it announced its plans to use XRP. David Andolfato, Senior Vice President of the St. Louis Federal Reserve Branch, has highlighted the potential integration of RippleNet for payment processing. It has been brought to light that XRP is essential to RippleNet's ability to facilitate these transactions. According to David Andolfato, the Federal Reserve may ask another entity to handle settlements on its behalf. Similar to Ripple, we anticipate a huge increase in XRP's value, maybe reaching $10,000, if this development materializes. Keep in mind that this move by the Federal Reserve was not unexpected. In an official announcement a few weeks or maybe a month ago, the Federal Reserve recognized the possible contribution of XRP and XLM to enhancing the blockchain component of their FedNow payment service. Ripple is taken center stage, which is famous for its open-source financial transaction technology and innovative solutions for international payments. Expect XRP's value to soar to unprecedented heights thanks in large part to FedNow Payment Services' adoption of Ripple's technology. First things first, I need you to do me a favor. Be a part of our community by subscribing, liking, and activating alerts. The topic of today is worth jumping to. Now let's shift our focus to the partnership between the Federal Reserve and Ripple, which was officially announced on the federalreserve.gov website. Part 1 of the study, the U.S. Path to Faster Payments, takes a faster payment task force approach, and it acknowledges Ripple as a key player in the payment solution space working with the Federal Reserve. The ability of Ripple to facilitate instantaneous global finance transactions, which usually take 2 to 4 days with limited tracking and opaque pricing, is emphasized in the article. By making fees and payment status completely transparent and facilitating instant settlement, Ripple revolutionizes this. What follows is an update on the status of the partnership between Ripple and the Fed, which now includes domestic payments. The abundant supporting documentation is available for viewers to peruse at their leisure. An important section of the article explains how the Federal Reserve and other central banks. Ripple has formed partnerships with the Bank of England and the Saudi Arabian Monetary Authority to enhance their respective domestic payment systems. The report also includes an interesting section on how Ripple Labs is revolutionizing payment processing at its foundational level by offering a free global real-time settlement infrastructure. This demonstrates that the Federal Reserve plans to adopt and utilize Ripple's decentralized peer-to-peer settlement architecture, which is compatible with existing methods of transferring funds. There were early warning signs of this development, looking back. About a year ago, the Ripple logo was shown prominently on Fox News when the Federal Reserve was talking about the possibility of a digital U.S. dollar. Moreover, Ripple's technology has attracted the attention of organizations such as the Federal Reserve Board, the International Monetary Fund, and the Bank of International Settlements, BIS, which has added it to its list of shadow partners. As one delves further into the intriguing world of international banking, it becomes apparent that the Bank of International Settlements (BIS) oversees a substantial portion of the global wealth. The fact that Ripple has joined this industry is significant. Reportedly, a senior lawyer at the Frederickshire board named Jess Chon was quoted in a statement issued by the Department of the Interior. In charge of this endeavor is Jess, who previously served as Ripple's deputy general counsel. For individuals intrigued by the details, there is a wealth of information to delve into, and everything is interrelated. But that's just the start. What I'm about to reveal might shock a lot of you. Recent warnings from the Federal Reserve indicate that banks may suffer losses due to increasing interest rates and pressure on the real estate market. Notably, they have been discussing this with multiple partners since the beginning of March. Adding to that, the European Union and the BRICS countries are likely to embrace XRP. The European Union has even dropped hints that XRP might form the basis of the future digital euro by using it to handle wealth transfers. Multiple reports have pointed to an imminent surge in the value of XRP, lending credence to this claim. A leading analyst has stated that in the near future, it will reach $500.50, and as its popularity grows on a global scale, it has the potential to reach $10,000. It was Arthur Brito, co-founder of Ripple, who came up with this idea. The video makes it clear that XRP's story is moving at a rapid pace. Going beyond the SEC vs. Ripple controversy, the BRICS nations have decided to collaborate with Ripple to develop their digital currency for the central bank using the XRP ledger. We will go more into the evidence of Ripple's extensive network within each of the BRICS countries. According to recent reports, this digital currency backed by the BRICS will be a significant tool for international finance. Let's start our journey in Brazil, the site of a revolutionary event. A revolutionary new cryptocurrency on demand liquidity service has been launched in Brazil in partnership with Ripple. This project has made a huge impact on the nation's financial technology landscape. Russia is the next topic of discussion. The decision to diversify away from the USD and the petrodollar was made by President Putin, according to multiple documents. The decision by SWIFT to exclude Russia from its payment system marked a turn towards Ripple Labs. Is that the goal? The goal is to establish CBCC, a digital currency that is controlled by the central bank, applied to the XRP ledger in Russia. This action guarantees Russia's ongoing engagement in global finance by taking advantage of the decentralized nature of the XRP ledger and getting around the SWIFT ban. India is spearheading an ambitious digital rupee drive, and Ripple is at the helm of yet another major project in this regard. With the help of Ripple Labs' technology, this endeavor shows that India has made great strides toward becoming a fully fledged CBDC world. However, the story continues beyond that point. In the fight for central bank-issued digital currencies, China has also joined the fray, collaborating with Ripple. This partnership exemplifies Ripple's increasing influence in the financial sector. All across Africa, the plot is the same. By highlighting the growing importance of CBDCs on the XRP ledger across the continent, the 2022 African Blockchain Report stands out. South Africa is one of over a dozen African countries that have integrated XRP and Ripple into their payment processing systems, according to the research. The widespread adoption of the ledger demonstrates its increasing importance in Africa's financial ecosystem. A new BRICS report ranked XRP as one of the best digital assets for payment services. With BRICS on board, XRP is sure to become a dominant player in the cryptocurrency market. Our attention has been drawn to a number of the more significant price prediction announcements for XRP as a result of recent events. Prominent financial analysts' public forecasts of XRP trading at $500.50 are sure to prompt a comprehensive investigation. Our investigation led us to the popular AI bot ChatGPT. This AI has identified 5 cryptocurrency projects XRP, Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano as having the ability to experience a staggering 100,000% growth by the year 2024. Such a price point for XRP shouldn't be surprising when you consider the perspective of Arthur Brito, co-founder of Ripple. In his opinion, XRP will reach $10,000, which, in his opinion, was the precise target amount. Brito further emphasizes XRP's scalability, saying it can handle the world's expected 7.5 billion people's financial needs. In that case, what does $500 signify? After all, $500 is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to XRP's potential value. Having said that, to achieve the enormous $10,000 target price, XRP needs global scalability and substantial financial throughput through the XRP ledger. Virtual institutions are increasingly collaborating with AI to develop CBDCs on the XRP ledger, and 21 nations have officially decided to leave the US dollar. This shift indicates that central banks are increasingly working with Ripple and, even more importantly, using the XRP ledger in their operations. An example of this trend is the decision made 3 days ago by the Central Bank of Dubai, which fully authorized the use of XRP. Another proof that XRP is gaining traction on a global scale